Karon ke chini social media no ringtang no mani karon kan kai no joto no saimano je chini tripura o roman script no ti bele no soli tomo sing koma time chini TISF board of the chini president jeng malai mani ya gulo botono sakbai thang ko di homoni je tabuk je TISF board ko boro subject tomoni amono roman script bangladesh duita bani simone chini bo diman amono tomoni sing bo kono keboni against hoya जों सामानि अमनो चुजेबल ऑप्शन फाइदि जे बांला बेसिनामो जों बांला बेसिनो जे इंग्लिश बेसिनामो जों रोमांस के बेसिनो हाइपनो ब आपुरो जों क इवन फानो बिनि आ हरनो ते बिथिंनि करनो ब म हाइताय बिनि क चेंज खाइसिगे आबन बागै जों बबेदि थाङै मालायखा कामखौ सायमान नां बागै बिनि टाइम स्टेप ना करना हाया आबोखौ ब साकसाक बसर हका ब अमते खालिया बसर बांलादेश के मासिने आमनो जों वानसुगै चिनि जतनो TISF नि अल त्रिपुरानि TISF नि कक बरबाय ककसाबै जों बंखानि कक खनाखा बरब जतनो जों गोबां टाइम न साइमनो जों क्लास इयार आगुलिव लामा कासलाइखा स्ट्राइक नहनै तारपरे जों गभर्नर नि थानि ब मेमोरेन्डाम नामिया फरमानि बर सल्युशन लिनाय हिनि सामानि आमो कोनो सल्युशन निया को ताक्सि जरते आमनि बागै जों दिनै चिनि हाई लेवल कमिटी दङ चिनि जे त्रिपुरामथानि अखरा कमिटी पेरेंट्स कमिटी रो बासो खाचिनि आप्रो एलओपी दङनि सीएम ईएम एमएलए एमडीसी सखोमो दङनि चिनि दङ नेता अखरा दङनि आमनो जों जतो न अमनो कगना जाका जों फाइनाय 12 तारिखनि सिमि सारा त्रिपुराव चिनि जे हाईवेज माने हाईवे माने जे चिनि कुनि स्टेट बे लिंक दङनि चिनि जतो किसु लिंक दङनि जे रेलवे लामारो जों बन खाइसिनाय आमबो जेसक चिनि मान फाइना जों मायासा जेसक चिनि दिबसन मान फाइना मायासा कारण बर बेलायनो चिनि बरंना हानो पिनो खायका चिनि जों सिना रंग फ्यूचर बे गेम थिं दङ आं बागैनो जों TISF नि चिनि दिनिन सिमि नंनो डिक्लेयर खारिका नंनि जाति सु जाना उनानि माने सु पाइ कामरे नारो लागि जों नाबन बागैनो 2 दिन टाइम दिका तामनि बागै हिनबा जे पुरो हाईवे रेलवे क्लोज थागानो आजारावो चिनि साइमन न चिनि थानि चाना माने दक चिनि आरो त्रिपुराव माने जतन खादानि मान थायो जतन बन्दं थानाय बन्दं थागांगा आपुर जतन शर्टेज होननाय आउन बागै जतन हानिया वानसुगि मानो बा चिनि चाना माने नि बा नंना माने दक चिनि शर्टेज नि बागै गोबां बर प्रॉब्लम फेस खायमानो आ प्रॉब्लम फेस ता खायतम हिना जों दिनै आरो प्रेस मिट खाय 2 दिन टाइम दिका 2 दिन नि बिसंग जतन पाइलेनार लागि जतन खातलेनार लागि साइमी अब पुरो जाने तो जाते न जों दिनै आरो TISF नि जों अल त्रिपुरानि TISF आरो जों डिक्लेयर खायो जे जों फाइनाय 12 तारिखनि सिमि मंडे आपन सिमि जे चिनि मानथै माया सा सुदु 12 तारिख बागै सिमि जे मानथै माया सा सिमो रोड ब्लॉकेज तामु सॉल्व हाईवे टेरेन थांनाय सालाव actually we all know that yesterday also I took to the northeast live that we already said that we call for the indefinite strike, but there is a little bit change over there. Now we just gonna block the road blockage for indefinite because road and railway is the lifeline for any of every state. So if it stop, then what general people will suffer for their daily needs, who will not get petrol, will not get their foods because in our Tripura there is not enough food. We all supply from the outside, so it will be affect to everyone. So it must take care of the government of the state. So that's it.
It will be a strike or a road blockade only?
We'll call for now indefinite road blockade.
Indefinite road.
Yes.
Rail will also be a
rail will.
So ultimately, did you again try to contact the state government or only the board you have contact? What is the latest development?
We several times we contact with the board and the state government also. Now it's enough for us. Now we can't control more. We need to block the road because this is the only way how they want to listen the state government. Before also in Kuwait, some students got beaten up, but we went to the police station, we went to the BJP party leaders, we talked because we want settlement, but they never wants all those. So that's why when we blocked the road, then at that time DM came, SP came, and then they got arrested, the culprits got arrested. That's the way, the culture of Tripura, you can say like.
Are you giving any appeal, or are you going to hear to the board, or you want to speak directly to the government?
No, now we don't want to talk with the board because we several times we went to the board president. Now we directly talk with the CM, and then we need ultimate solution. We know there is an education policy 2020. It says like that.
NEP, new
Yeah,
education.
yeah. It says like that. Every state can start their primary education from their regional language. But here though it's no, and there is article number 19 also is there, freedom of speech and expression, violation of all those rules and regulation in Tripura. So that's why we are calling for indefinite road blockage from today. No, not from today, sorry, from 12.
12. So, sir, what do you think? What is the reason behind? Because there was a solution, everything was settled. Now, all of a sudden, why a U-turn from the board president? What you believe? What is the reason? What may be the reason behind?
I don't know actually what may be the reason, but we know that there is a political reason behind all this, because we saw he already spoke to the news reporters and then social media persons that he also agreed like that. Okay, it's okay. We'll go for this one regional language, Roman language, and Bengali also. But now he told me like that. I am helpless. I can't do anything. So we know that what's going on. So you can see directly also.
If the president say he is helpless,
Yes,
should he remain in his post? Do you think he should continue in this post when he say he is helpless?
Yeah. If he says like that he's not maybe remain in his post, it must be transferred from his post, because it's very shameful word what he used, that he's helpless.
You want his resignation?
Yeah.
You want his resignation. And the chief minister, are you trying to people trying to contact the chief minister, or are you trying to give a message that they should contact?
We'll not go to anyone now, because we tried many more times. We want to settle all the things very lightly, but they don't want to listen us. So that's why we don't go now. They must come to us. We'll not go.
You won't.
No.
You have tried.